So today we're going to play Soda Pop on the Logitech z523 subwoofer. Headphone users, you've been warned, it's loud. Let me just prepare the system. Okay, sorry if you hear kids. My window is open and there's a park right next to me. But we're gonna go now.
I need a second round and pour a lot and don't you stop till my soda pop fizzles out.
Okay, sorry for the noise right now. I live next to train tracks and a park. The train just went by. Hope you like that. I am not allowed to show my face. My parents will get mad. But thank you. The next video will be linked, should be linked right here. I think here. Okay, yeah. It'll be linked. Next video will be linked right here. I think hopefully that works. It's my first video. Next video will be I will be playing the song Golden from Kpop Demon Hunters on it. If you have any song requests for me to play in here, leave it in the comments. Make sure like and subscribe. Bye. Subscribe for more videos. Next video right here. Next video is right here.